You think you know Russia? Think again. From forgotten villages to frozen landscapes. This is the Russia you never see on the news. Hey adventurers! Ready to dive into Moscow's buzz, hit some epic hiking trails, and soak up stunning nature and culture? Let's go! Russia is not just one place, it's a world of its own. Moscow pulses with energy, modern, massive, and moving fast. St. Petersburg whispers history in every stone, every shadow. And beyond the cities, the land stretches endlessly. Forests that feel ancient. Mountains carved by time. Lakes so vast they look like oceans. But beneath it all, a history of empires, revolutions, and resilience. Every village, every ruin, every quiet corner, tells a story. And most of them are still waiting to be heard. Moscow is a city of contrasts, ancient and futuristic, all at once. Walk past the Kremlin and you're touching centuries of power. Dive underground, and the metro feels like a palace. Above ground, glass towers rise over gray Soviet blocks. It's loud, intense, and constantly moving. But if you slow down, you'll see the poetry in the chaos. Some stations are covered in marble, mosaics, and chandeliers. Built to impress, and to last. Did you know? Moscow city center is actually built on what used to be a giant swamp. Over centuries, engineers transformed this wetland into one of the world's most vibrant capitals. A true feat of urban planning and resilience. Hiking in Russia means stepping into untouched wilderness. The Altai Mountains offer rugged peaks and remote valleys. In the Caucasus, trails lead past glaciers and ancient villages. And near Lake Baikal, you hike through deep taiga forests, sometimes without seeing a soul for days. Out here, nature doesn't just surround you. It humbles you. In Russia's vast wilderness, many hiking trails have no marked paths, forcing adventurers to rely on nature and navigation skills alone. It's a true test of survival and spirit. Russia's mountains are crowned with snow for most of the year. From the towering peaks of the Caucasus to the remote ranges of Siberia. These frozen giants shape the land and challenge every adventurer brave enough to explore them. The Russian wilderness is home to some of the world's most elusive creatures. From the mighty Siberian tiger stalking the taiga, to the massive brown bears roaming the forests, and the silent wolves weaving through the snow. Here, nature rules in its purest form. Wolves in the Russian wilderness are not just hunters, they play a crucial role in shaping the landscape. By controlling herbivore populations, they help maintain healthy forests and grasslands. Their presence indirectly supports biodiversity, showing how one species can influence an entire ecosystem. Russia's culture is a vibrant mosaic shaped by centuries of history, tradition, and transformation. The golden onion domes of Orthodox churches like St. Basil's tell stories of faith and resilience. Folklore, music, and dance have been passed down through generations, keeping ancient customs alive even in modern times. The Soviet era left a bold mark, from monumental architecture to powerful art that still sparks debate today. And through it all, the spirit of creativity thrives, in literature, ballet, and street art alike. In Russia, the past and present collide, creating a culture that's endlessly fascinating and deeply complex. Russia is so big that it spans 11 time zones. You could literally have breakfast in one part and dinner in another on the same day. The famous Russian nesting dolls, called matryoshka, were inspired by a Japanese doll, each one hides a smaller one inside. 3. Russia has the coldest inhabited place on Earth, Oymyakon, where winter temps can drop below -60 degrees Celsius -76 degrees Fahrenheit. Wow, what a journey! From the buzzing streets of Moscow to breathtaking hiking trails and the amazing vastness of Russian nature and culture, I hope you loved exploring it as much as I did. If you enjoyed this adventure, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe for more epic travel content, and ring that notification bell so you never miss a moment. Got any favorite spots in Russia or places you want me to explore next? Drop a comment below, I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay curious and keep wandering.